Okay, for some reason I can't seem to zoom in. I'll try to keep this in camera view. Okay, so you can see where I have this here. And like I said, you want to give it a good tug so that that's pulled out. Next, I take the side that's not sewn together and I kind of just dip it in there. So this is going to be a seam, so I'm folding it and then I'm going to iron that so that when I go to sew it, it's not a pain in the tush. So I'm going to hold it down here. So I got the line first, and then I'll go up the middle. You want to get it as nice and flat as you can. Like I said, I'm normally doing a bunch of these at one time, so I'm not getting up and down from the sewing machine. Then I will take this and I put 2 pleats in it. So I'll start off with about a 1 inch. And I'll want to kind of take a visual and see that that looks straight. I should probably back up a little bit. This helps not only with the sewing, but also so that it fits your face better when you put your stitches down the side. My first couple ones were a little crooked, but that's okay, not a big deal. Okay, there's that one. So you can see that looks pretty even keel. I'm not worried about it being perfect by any means. Okay, and so my next step for what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the sewing machine. I'm going to stick my other piece of elastic in here. I'm going to start sewing down this way. I'll get the other piece stuck in here. Again, I triple stitch over where the elastic goes in because it's going to get tugged on a lot. Once I get down here, I could stop there and take it off the sewing needle and come back and stitch over here, but what I found is that the whole removing from the sewing needle and cutting the thread just takes more time, and it's just as much thread to just drive back over here and then come back over this side.